The Vigo County Council and commissioners are awarding nearly $50,000 to the Vigo County History Museum. The money is coming from the county's American Rescue Plan funds. It'll go to repairing the museum's east wall. That's the one with the mural of the Coke bottle on it. As you can see, there are plenty of leaks. The money will also go toward interior damage caused by the leaks as well.
Some things are hanging away from the wall, so that helps a little bit, but the damage to our artifacts is so critical that we just can't have that. So we scramble like crazy.
County Commissioner Chris Schweitzer told News 10 that the project is well worth the money.